How to download GTA San Andreas on PC for free. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can download GTA San Andreas on PC for free. So let's go ahead and look out on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So downloading the GTA San Andreas on your PC is super easy. You just need to follow these steps. And on the search bar, type in Rockstar Game. After that, wait for your screen to be loaded up. So you can directly head over to the Rockstar Game, and on the Rockstar Game page, you're gonna search for Grand Theft Auto, the San Andreas version. Just go to the search bar at the upper right corner and type in the game. After that, hit enter and just download it. And that is one of the easiest way. If you can't download it from here, if you can't find it here, you go ahead and locate the Steam application on your device. Just open up Steam on your device. It is also easily available. Just set it up on your device, and from there we can easily download it. After opening up your Steam, go to the search bar and type in GTA on the search bar of the Steam. Just go ahead and type in that and hit enter and wait for the GTA options to be loaded. And from there, we're gonna locate the San Andreas one, which is here on the screen, which is this one right here. So go ahead and locate it, and there is a certain amount of money you need to pay. Just go ahead with the payment method, and then Grand Theft Auto San Andreas version will be easily downloaded. So that's how you basically download it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and then thank you for watching this video.